Check this.
What's up everyone? I'm back again on another video. Today I'll be unboxing two iPhones Pro Maxes, and also I got two of those magnetic wireless chargers that I bought from the Apple store. So let's get to it. Beautiful design on the box. As you can see, it's really small. It looks like you're buying perfume, not an iPhone, but that's Apple. The film is easy to remove, not like before you have to fight with it. This one is the iPhone 12 Pro Max in gold. In the box we have the iPhone 12 Pro Max with a single, I would say, glossy paper film. Apple changed the way they wrap them now. This one's the gold one, looks beautiful. Ceramic shield, really nice. In the box also comes with a lightning cable and USB-C. So you will need to buy one of those USB-C chargers, what we call them the blocks. Also comes with a manual, a small little booklet, and a single Apple logo. Of course, the SIM ejector. The magnetic wireless chargers was $39.99 plus tax. And that one you definitely need the USB-C block plugs that goes into the wall so you can charge your phone wirelessly. And it doesn't really stick to the iPhone quick and it won't move. And if you have your old iPhone, you just bring it in closer to the new iPhone. It will give you an option to set it up so you can transfer all your data to the new one. This one is the iPhone 12 Pro Max Black, and it is 512 gigabytes. Beautiful design as well, kind of like black and silver-ish. And it comes with the single film. Also, same thing in the box, just a single USB Lightning to USB-C cable. You can still use your old Lightning cable if you want to charge it. Also comes with the SIM ejector, the manual, and one single Apple logo sticker. So both of them were around $2,865, including the two magnetic wireless chargers. The camera is really beautiful and wide. Oh my god, like it takes some amazing pictures, I'm not gonna lie. And this includes adorable and beautiful surgical grade stainless steel band. The iPhone Pro starts at $999 and the Pro Max starts at $1099. And of course, they came in 4 new finishes, including an elegant silver, a rich deep graphite, a stunning gold, and all new Pacific blue. The Pro models also features an incredible ceramic shield, and this model has the best in class water and dust resistance with an IP68 rating, so they can withstand submersion and up to 6 meters for 30 minutes, which is really good. As you can see, it has the A14 chip, which is the fastest so far. The cameras are ultra wide. So those are some of the specs. And the cam, especially the iPhone Pro Max, 128 to 56 and 512. I might have to say 265. Forgive me for that. It is absolutely super retina HDR, and the screen is so beautiful. I mean, you're gonna love it. I personally love it. Hope you do too. And that's it, guys. That was unboxing my iPhones. Hope you liked the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And until next video, have a good one.